What? Hello, everybody. Hope you are doing well. Another day and another day of struggle. So let's see how we do. Whoever actually watching my video, you guys know that I normally record the videos and then send it like raw. But as I'm doing the whole video, I'm not editing anything. So I decided, let's put it in live and just do it. What's gonna happen? You guys already seen me, how I trade and everything. So hope it doesn't create any problem in our performances. So yeah, I want to show you a few things. So what is it like, where we are in our journey. Where this one? So yeah, this is the account. We are doing it. So this is our day. I'm just trying to be green. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to be like discipline. Nothing else, not big money. I mean, it's just I'm trying to be like a normal, like slowly how you can build up something. So if I can do that, it would be really awesome. The problem is that after this kind of days, quite a lot of days, then you'll have a red day. The thing is that can we survive that red day? So many times people lose account. I lost tons of accounts like that, like some green for a month, and then all of a sudden one red day came, and then all of a sudden I lost it. And then after that it will follow up with more red days. So you can see I'm not earning that much money, but if you check my balance, you'll see it's actually going high. Not bad. I mean, we are almost halfway down this. If I can do the same thing like continuously for another 2 weeks, maybe I could pass this account, maybe. So that should be the average passing time. So without these things, let's concentrate on our other things. So this is the chart today. So what's happened last few days? Let me discuss with you a little bit. Let me see if my charts are working. Okay, so as I didn't do live streaming, I want to see that. So this, what the hell is that? Okay, yeah, this is one of the chart I'll use as well on my other screen. So hopefully you can see it. So this is the ES and NQ chart together. Okay, not organized, but it's all right. It's there. Yeah, so like this. Okay, I don't know what that is. That, oh, this one was the like yesterday night when they came to this gap I was talking about yesterday's. Whoever watched my yesterday's video. So when before 9:30 I was saying, like, if it can come here and then we could short it. But actually in the daytime they didn't happen. They were like consolidating, and then later on at the news time, when the earning came out, they came here, exactly traded the, if you see the this order block. Look, forget about this candle. This is after when today opened. Look, 1 hour candle came, just touched it. This is the order block. Look how nicely. So they just touched it from there, and basically if you go to 1 minute, you'll find us even set up from there. But should you trade like this from at that time? No. At the time, anyways, if you trade with regular money, you didn't have any chance as well. So I mean, you could still trade with Lucid, and I mean, I'm not recommending you to trade like that, but it's a trade to go to the other side. So look, then what happened? This one taken out this low. This one couldn't take out this low, so it became SMT. You see this low and this low. Okay, so this chart will try to follow as well, and this is my trading chart. And the other one I cannot show you because that one, if I put it, then I have to change resolution. So it is what it is. We will try to be good, and I'm not gonna thinking about these things too much. What I'm doing, I don't know if everything going well or not. If the sound is all right, you guys can say if you want to say, like, something, if the sound is all right. So let me see few things. All right. So no more recording. Okay, we got 7 minutes left. Let's do a little bit of analysis. What is going on? So the chart, NQ chart is like this right now. So they in the, what is it called, Asia session, they took out the previous, like all these highs, and then they fell down to today's opening price. And what is it called, in the London session, they basically they're bouncing back from the today's new day opening gap. So this area, so they came down, and then this is 8:30 opening price. So 8:30 opening price, this is 15 minutes chart. Okay, so if we go to 1 minute, we can see like this is situation is like that. So the question is that, is it bullish or bearish? If you ask me, I mean, to me, I would love to short, but this one doesn't look like a short to me yet. So today is like a day, I think I feel like I have to wait maybe tiny bit longer to get a setup maybe. Or if it go up and then give us a sign, I mean, so we'll see. This one, I don't, today is like very complicated, you know. Like look, if you go like 1 hour, I can see 1 hour like this, there is a gap there. They came here and then trading from there. There is a untraded gap here as well. There is untraded gap there where the new week opening price is. Lots of lines and things like that. So don't get confused. This is my chart like this. I cannot do nothing about it. So they just came. Still now they're trying to come to rebalance the chart. Sorry, rebalance this candle. They didn't do it yet. So next half an hour, I don't know how it's gonna unfold. So this gap will be very important right now. So we'll see how it goes. And then 15 minutes, let me see. We got another 4 minutes left. Let me quickly analyze these things. Today is very tricky, truly speaking. So this is just on the top of the new week opening gap. So if we are new week opening gap on the top of the today's opening price, there will be a little RTH gap. If we see maybe from here to there, so this gap, let me see how many points are there. Almost 170. So yeah, they could come down tiny bit. Maybe today's opening price, I'm not sure, and then maybe go up. But downside as well, there are like they left quite a lot of things as well. I mean, we don't know now. Okay, let's see how these things go. I'll be very cautious. Just try to be positive. That's my main goal, and will not try to talk too much. We'll try to concentrate on our trading. So 15 minutes, if you see, 15 minutes is very look ugly. Like lots of things happen, lots of things happening. So this low is the basically yesterday's, let's say, data low. This low. So the question is now that will they? Let me put the light up a little bit. Yeah. So the question is that will they able to take this low? That's the question. Okay. So yesterday that when the the earning report came, earning report is very good. And then today there was inflationary data came out. I don't know if I got the thingy. I can show you. Oh, no, choose. Okay. Yeah. So and GDP is a little bit bad, but the other things are looks all right. PCs like year over year is very high. This is inflationary, but the other things are all right. We don't know about this. We don't follow this data because this data we don't know if it is actually the core one is like 3.2, 3.2. They're saying okay, but increase from the previous one. Okay, so and then this one is look like is gone down from previous month. That's what I'm saying. Like, and it doesn't make sense. Anyways, this is not our concern. Our concern is on the chart. Technically, what they're doing, that's what we are looking for here. So yeah, 2 minutes left. Let's see how they react. So 15 minutes, if you see, is the midnight opening price could be a price they could go first, and then after that how they react we don't know. So primarily I'll try to see how they do, and then I'll take trades. Hopefully we find some trades. Today is like it could destroy us. Okay, so we have to be careful. And as I'm live, I don't know, I never traded live with this one, so recorded it and send it to you. It will be interesting. Going down should be fast. To me, like if they come down around this area, then they try your 930 open. They're falling down. They came here. Let's see how they trade. See, live streaming. That's why I couldn't short it. Otherwise, I would have just. It was understandable. Now they're on the top of the new week opening price. So they're covering the RTH gap. Big RTH gap. Okay, they are near 00 price. It's all right. So again, no manipulation on 930. Okay, so then what we are saying? So this area they came. Now is interesting how they're gonna react from here. So because this is 00 means like the midnight opening price, they came back. This is the area I'm observing. Today feel like just waiting. I don't know. Should have traded early. Short it. $89. Interesting price action. Because they've taken out the high of yesterday's high and the day before's high. You know, all-time high they've taken, and then they're now coming down. This is all-time high taken. This is kind of asymptotic with ES. So, okay, let's see how they react from here. Tape reading. Okay, so nothing else we're doing. So if you want to trade, you can trade, but I'm just tape reading today. So this is the fast presented gap. If you see this area, this is the fast presented gap already created. I'm marking it. Fast presented gap done. All this liquidity. Let's see how they do. Look like they're going for the data low. But we are, if you see this one, they have to cross this one, they have to cross this one. If you go to 1 hour, this one, untraded. The question is, can they close like this? We'll have trade maybe later on. I don't know. I don't trade. So when I said it is going down there, I would have taken a short. This low was more or less, understandable. This gap was all right. Then this two is equal low. These are all they left it like that, They didn't take out the low. Lots of things there. Maybe shorting would be ideal, but we didn't take it. We didn't take it. I don't need to take it. But they left it in an ugly way. One of the things I didn't like it. Because if you see this candle, here you're seeing the, what is it called? Like a wick. They're coming to a 1 hour gap now. So this low they're taking as well. They're taking out this low. It's only 6 minutes gone, guys. Yeah, so don't have to be impatient. I'm gonna wait until they're showing us any sign or something, because this is just straightforward fall. What can I do? You can take trade here and there. Let's take a good trade today. Let's see. They're coming up. Oh, the thing I was saying, like in NQ, if you see, this is a 1 minute chart. Look how they left it. There is no weak even. There's a little volume balance and then they just drop down. But here they're showing, like MNQ, they're showing, oh no, we got a weak. Which one you gonna? I normally trust this one, truly speaking. Let's go to our. I cannot short it from here, for sure. I don't want to do that. I used to do that long time ago. Not anymore. So they came to trade this area because this one looked like more to dig down. I'll get a trade, but I'll take a chance a little bit later. Just catch up a retracement or something. Because this one looked like they're going for the data low maybe. Yesterday's, those people where they bought it, it's like a big thing there. This area. Then how the chart will be, let me see if I can see it. Okay, let me see if it's go there. This is the chart. How they will look. Let's see the daily. Do you think this candle will close down here like that? It's not that it cannot do it, it can do it because they didn't. You know why they can do it? This area, look, these are the gap, they didn't even traded it. But it does look ugly though if they fall like that. It will be a bearish sign. So that's why I'm still optimistic about, let's say, the price should tiny bit, they're gonna fall from here, you think? Yeah, they can do it. Why not? Everything is possible. Okay, because look, they left a no weak candle here. So this low can be targeted as well. Where is this low? This is the low is here. Look, this area. On that day when we were saying that, if they came here, it would be nice. They didn't come. This gap. But anyways, we can talk about so many things, but we have to wait for the setup to create. Okay, it's 39, 9:39. So let's see how the next 15 minutes candle they react. So this is the 15 minutes, and this is the 1 hour. 1 hour already trading this one. Are they gonna close down under? That's the question. In 15 minutes, I'm just waiting. Yeah, they might not give us any chance of entry, but I trade 20 points. Do I need to wait for like perfect setup and things like that? Oh, it didn't work. I don't care. I'll just wait. Okay, so this chart, we are going to the previous chart where I trade from. Yeah. So this is the area. Now, what is it? 40. Very, very volatile. Nothing to do. It's just straight fall. I cannot participate in this kind of price. I can do it, but it's not the way I trade. Let's look straightforward fall of like more than 200 points. I mean, around 200 points, isn't it? Let me see. If we see from there, 221 points, they just fell in the first 15 minutes. What I'm gonna trade? And they're still falling. Okay, let me check. Concentrate. Concentrate. We will get a trade. This is the area. One thing they didn't do yet. Let's see. They're coming here. This is 15 minutes. This one is 15 minutes as well. Check 1 hour as well. There's something there. I might do a quick scalp to go a little bit up from this area. If they, not now, the next candle, if they give us chance. If they go up right now, down there, I'm not doing nothing because I cannot trust these things like that. From there, even though it's look like a going down to me, but the good entry should be they're trading under the new week opening gap. So now the question is which area we can re-engage. Let's see how they react on the today's opening price. If they come there, I don't think they should come there, but obviously I'm expecting them to come to, let's say, 252, this area, and then from there I'll try to take a short. Short means like I'll try to like do something about it. Okay, like let's say take something, do something, because we trade, I told you, like I trade like tiny things. So from here, if you see in this 1 minute, they kind of inverted, but this inversion I don't trust it. But this one is a kind of trade as well. Okay, so once they did it, you can, because this is a retracement they're doing already before the other candle opening within 15 minutes. We got the candle opening within 1 minute. Sorry, 15 minutes. 15 minutes candle is opening within 1 minute. Okay, so this candle 15 minutes is coming up. The question is that how it will look like the 15 minutes. I can be small and then like try a little bit from this area maybe. Let's see how the next candle react. But it has to go a little bit up. I don't like it here. But if they go a little bit up, this is ugly. From here it should work. If I have to short, I should short it from this area. But then where should be my stop loss? That's the question. So let me see if they go a little bit up. One hour traded the gap, they didn't close under that gap we were discussing a little bit earlier. This area look already creating a, so let's say if they this one hold or not. If they close down here, then I'm gonna short it. If they go up right now, it's good for me as well. I don't mind if they go up as well. More chances of shorting. Keep it clear. So interesting. Even though the 15 minutes, this candle can easily make bullishness as well. But you know, we have to try something. So they inverted this area. They're trying to, okay, let me check our ESA still trading on the top of midnight opening price. So midnight, interesting. This area they already reached. Let's see if they give us a like a order block kind of things. I can short it, but the thing is will be like, you know, it's like risky short because they didn't. If they go tiny bit maybe up, it would be nicer. But this is a shorting area as well. You know what? I short it, and my stop loss will be quick up. It's still like a FOMO trade, but I hope they don't let us down. Okay, if they go through quickly, it will be nicer until a certain period. Okay, I'm not doing anything. I'm just not losing nothing. Okay, just if they come back, stop me out. I'm gonna get a stop out. They should not stop here. They should at least take down this low. I mean, if they don't stop here, okay, because there is a gap, they should don't do that from the inversion area. Okay, they're trying to come back. They will stop me out and they'll fall. You see, come on, don't stop. You should not stop here. You should go through it. Come on, don't do that. Give us something here, man. You know, take profit. I'll put it just down there if they can do that. That will be my day done if they do it. But if they hold this gap, you know, the inversion gap here, if they hold it, they will go up more. But this low, they should take it at least. Come on, don't do that. But they might go up and then they'll do, you see? You lost it maybe. Yeah, they're stopping me out. Come on, don't do that. They don't stop me. They didn't create any gap, so it's stopping me out now, maybe. Hopefully they fall. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come down. Come down. Because the inversion holding. But if they fall from here, this candle should fall. Or otherwise they will stop me out. It's alright. Now you wanna fall? Fall. Yeah. See, so I could have taken all the profit at that time because this candle could be the low. Yeah, this candle might go down. I don't know. Now to short it, because the inversion is holding. That's why it's like risky. Where they gone? You know what? I'll retry again. If they take me, because they should go through it. I don't know why they didn't take out this low at least. I mean, my stop loss has to be, if they don't go now, this is the candle they should fall. Otherwise, we are toasted. So my stop loss has to be on the top of this one. They should not go on the top of that. This is the order block. I think they're holding. At least this low, man. Such a bad person, isn't it? Market maker is a bad guy. I think he's just want to make me take a loss today. Yeah, I'm out. Not liking it. Sorry for that. Took a loss. They came to the order block and then they toasted me. It's all right, market maker. We'll be still after you. You think they will come up a little bit more and then they will do, or this one I don't think they should. They should be bullish anyways. Keep my concentration, man. I have to keep trying. Okay, so that's the only way I can, because the such a big candle, so it could hurt me. So there was a SMT there, that's why I was believing that they will go down, but now I feel like this one will take out this high. So they came to exactly the order block price. Now this candle, will they be able to do anything? 50, yeah, is already risky, but still we have to try it. I tried it. This is not a good trade, okay, because this one is like you thinking about this one, but this is the area 50 started. So you know what? I'm not gonna try to lose anything from here. I don't like care if these things go up. My theory is I'm a short-term trader. I just take and then that's it. Nothing else I do. If they come down, they will give us profit. If they don't go up, I'm break even. Hopefully they go down. This time they came like this and they're not gonna go down. It's like look like absolutely rubbish to me. Come on, man, show us some sign. At least up until 53, and I put it on 60. You're not gonna take us, please. Just give us this one and then do whatever you like to do. Let me go out, do my things, do my lifestyle, man. Don't stop. Don't you dare you stop. Take the low. That's it. $100. Now I don't know. They should not stop here. So they should do a little bit digging at least. If they go back, they should not go back. This is another short from here as well. Okay, it's all right, man. What should I do? I don't want to re-short it. My trade was from there. I was not bad. This is the order block they created over there. They came to just trade the order block. I thought they will do just okay. They didn't fully do it. They just couldn't touch it even. So now the trade idea was good. Okay, no problem. So these things, it should be continue. It should continue until let's say 50, 40s, 49, something like that. 47. You know why I'm saying these things? Look, this is the area I'm talking about. So they should come at least here. There are two gaps there. They didn't come. Okay, tiny bit. Okay, 52 was there. This line I'm talking about. This one, 52. I thought. But there is a gap just down there. And then should you take a trade? I would say, yeah, this can be an entry and your stop loss can be on the top of that. Today it's big candle, risky. not even 10 o'clock. So don't know the next candle. Yeah, but they should expand a little bit more. They should not stop here. But do you see, like, when they're falling, they continuously fell. They given a retracement to this area, and then now they're coming down. This will be a big one, maybe. Because my problem is I don't trade long, like this. Look, this trade as well. I trade with only one micro, and then I took some loss, or not even loss. Let's say if let me tell you, just this trade when they came here, $70 was there. Yeah? I didn't take it because to me, I understood that. Look here, if you check it, when these things came here, what is it? They already inverted this gap. So this gap, shouldn't I be a little bit cautious? So when I shorted it when they came here, first time they came up. So yeah, that's why if I took my profit, let's say 70, 80 pounds, it was showing 70, $80. So I'm saying pound because I'm from the UK. Ignore me. Then they came here. This trade gave me $100 just here. Eh? So look, this is continuation. What did I tell you that they will come around 40 something. So they already came. So this kind of trade, I have to keep it. I'm not keeping it because I'm doing a challenge. So scary. But the idea from there, did you understand? Like, I said it can be a short. So if you shorted it, let's say, and then you put your break even, this trade could have go on and already 300 ticks. So with one little micro contract, I would have $600. So trading is as simple as that. But the problem is that we make things complicated. We look for something like very, very phenomenal things, like we want to see what other people doing. They're making millions, I mean, is this not enough for like how long we've been trading here? Maybe 25 minutes. So if you wait for it and take a chance, and I took, look, even one was break even and another one I took a loss, and then I just took the next trade, workout, $100 done. I know it's seeing small, so but this is what it is. So we have to do these things every day, so so that we can be disciplined enough to just disciplined enough to, like, build up our account. That's what I need to do. So I think I'm not gonna do today anything, so I'll keep it as it is, like, because there is no point of staying here and whole day talking to you. I've got to get ready for I've got work tomorrow, so lots of things to do. So got to go somewhere else as well. So yeah, I'll keep the day like this. Okay, so I'll say, oh, another day green. That's it. So this is another day. I'll not do anything, but the analysis, I don't know if I should do analysis. Let me see. Yeah, so this is the today's opening price. Okay, so they just came back. Let's see if these things are, where is it? Now let me make it bigger, so that one doesn't matter anymore. Regular trading hour. Look, the gap is still not filled up. So the gap was from this area to that area. They already trading, I think. I don't trade with quadrant level, what Michael said. So this is the 75%. So if it go down from here to this area, then he said, oh, it should take out this low. Lots of things are there. Look, this is the data low. So he's already trading under 25%. I'm not sure about it because I don't understand these things. Now, I don't understand these things doesn't mean nothing. But I'm saying, like, this kind of way to trade, he knows better. You can check his ICT's website. So now they came to today's opening price high. So let's see how they react now. And this is the price from is it 130? Means yesterday's 130. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, yesterday's 130 price. Anyways, I don't trade like that. So at least the gap fill up. If you traded the gap fill up trade today, you'd be like, how much? 50% of this gap. was there. So when they fell, at least 50% of it, you could have just grabbed it, or 25% of it was, I think, somewhere here. So if you short it from there and just 25% come out as well, you would be a profitable trader. So now they're reacting because it's the new day opening price. So yeah, it is what it is. Another day, we finished it. And then this is the things you're seeing, like, this is the journey. So I'm not like teaching you anything because I don't want to teach you anything. I think already ICT's channel, you have all the information is there. So if you have any confusion and you want to discuss, yeah, definitely you can contact me. I've got my X account there. You can direct message me. You can even talk to me. I don't mind. So then we can discuss about something. If you have some kind of a confusion, if I have some kind of, I might learn something from you, and that's how it works. Okay. 10 a.m. So this is the call community. 10 a.m. already. So that means silver bullet time started. So what are you expecting? Do you expect it to go up back again, or is going down? To me, is like looks like a bearish things to me, but I don't know. I don't know because I'm not analyzing anymore. Okay. So you have to find your area where you can reshort it back again, because from here they can easily go up a little bit, trade the fast presented gap. Where is the fast presented gap? So many things they can do. Okay, so they created another gap, but if you ask me, I would say they should take out, like the low of the this, maybe this one I would have targeted, but who am I to say? And they might not listen even what I'm saying, but it's not bullish that much. But overall the market, I don't see any like up to now, like yesterday on that day, in the trade around up, ICT was saying that he tried to short every day, like because of the reason that he doesn't think that this run was sustainable, because this run doesn't make sense to him. To me as well, it doesn't make sense to me, but it is what it is. If they now, let's say, print more money, we don't know how it's gonna happen. So the inflation will go high, and then when the inflation go high and they print money, what happened, we don't know. So we have is lots of things to be seen, because if you see, like I talked about it before, I think 28th of February the Iran war started here. So okay, before the Iran war they were breaking down. They were there. Do you understand? So if they are there before the Iran war, how come that many nice things happen just here? All of a sudden, the war is still going on. Oil is not flowing. Like, do you understand? Do you understand this move? I don't understand this move. Because from here, if they, let's say, try to fall and readjust it, I was expecting, I know this one didn't make nice things to fall. Technically, actually, this is like a curling down. It's not like a something went high, and like it's not like a nice way to fall. Let's say when something fall, if you go behind, look, they should make something like that, like, do you see? And then they're falling. This is 2020 COVID crash, not crash, I have to say, like, retracement kind of things. I think this area was this area is the recent one, maybe. This is the tariff one, and this one was the one they were going down, and then from there they just bounce back to all-time high. So yeah, ICT is shorting all the time, he said, but to me they can retrace and then little bit maybe up around this area, then maybe we could think about going down. But it's all right, we trade only, like you saw how many points I take. So I took maybe 50 points today, more than 50 points. My trade was exactly from there. Lots of people can ask, oh, why did you trade like that? Yeah, because understandable, if you see the market quite a lot of time. I mean, I I took a loss because I didn't want to lose anything. From here, they could easily go, and then maybe from there they could have fall. But to me, taking the trade from here because of this, seeing this, order block, so trusting that one. Let me see if they traded the 50% of the order block or not. So let's say if I consider this one as an order block, well, look, 50% of the order block they went there. So my trade was just when they're rejecting from the 50%, I just re-entered it, and I just targeted here, low hanging fruit, done. So when did I finish? Around 53. So finish the day, done. Anyways, guys, you enjoy your day, and then I need to go out. UK now is summertime. Outside is nice and sunny. So I'm done. I can trade little more, but slowly I'll do longer stream, and we'll try to learn more things. Let's gather up more information, and then maybe we can catch a big run. Because now I'm just like trying to do this little series. What are you seeing already? So I just want to like achieve these things, show discipline and things like that. So this is my second account from what is it called, Trade C. This is a beta version. Sometimes this platform let us down as well. You saw it already if you've seen my previous video. But I mean, it is what it is. But I like it. You know why? Because this is like it's kind of top step X. I can even lock myself. I can trade with like quickly. I mean, it's very nice, not bad. Anyways, I don't want to make the video longer. This is my kind of live stream, and then because as I record it, just exactly like this, I record it, and the whole video I upload it on YouTube. So better, I just do the live and then just upload the whole thing. So you can really see that, how a person, I mean, the emotion go through. So when somebody is trying to be funded, look, this money was nothing, when we paid for this, let's say this evaluation account, okay, it's just like a 1 day out money. And but like you don't, the main thing is to achieve something, okay? It's not about the money. Let's say when I got this accounts, it's just like a 1 day. If you go to a restaurant, that much money you paid for it. But it's the like pride, you want to achieve something. So this is the discipline kind of things, like, because lots of time what happened, like you lose it because of lack of discipline. So I'm guilty of that. So here I'm just only trying to be like a little bit disciplined. That's what I'm trying to do. So if I can be green every day with a little trade, and I want to finish that day exactly like that, and then come back next day, and hopefully we have a better day. So that's the plan. So by saying these things, I'm showing you the account details again, what I did today. So yeah, so this is the day again. So this was the, I think, day 9. Yeah, 5 4, yeah, day 9. So tomorrow Friday we'll see how we do. If we can make similar kind of money, I'll just stop it there. So then we'll reach maybe half of the account, and then we'll try again next 2 weeks. Maybe hopefully we get the account back. So but by this time I could lose the account. But this challenge, what I'm doing is like a kind of discipline challenge. Try to be green. So I'm gonna do again and again to improve my discipline, because I did lots of bad things, So like I had funded account, I took out payout, then again given up. Some of the funded account I blown it. Still I've got funded account. If I show you like top step X, I didn't trade it today. So I had quite a lot of funded. And look, this funded account. Welcome to, what the hell is that? Yeah, so I've got a balance as well here. I mean, I don't want to talk about this one because this is not the part of our things, okay? So I had what is it called? Apex account. I had even Lucid. I had quite a lot of funded accounts. So I don't want to talk about these things, Let's concentrate on this one to slowly gain it, and then show discipline. Try to be green. Take stop losses. What I am very bad about it. I normally try to not to take stop losses. I cannot accept it. One loss can trigger me for a next 2 days, 3 days. Okay, so I'm trying to improve that part. So even though I have loss, I'll take it. But as long as I'm green, I'll be happy about it. So that's the target. Okay. So I was talking about bearishness. You can see bearishness because sometimes you understand. Okay, today should be a good day to trade, but I'm walking away. I hope you have a nice day. Let me see how to stop this. Uh, I really enjoyed it today. Just did the things, like with you guys. So yeah, this one is there. And then by saying these things, I will say have a nice the rest of the day. Enjoy your day. If you had a profit, keep it, and then just we'll talk about it tomorrow. Okay. So have a nice time. I'll see you again tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow I've got working. Always Friday I lose money. Last Friday, you know what I did. I was about to blow the account. Hopefully I don't do that this Friday. Somehow, if I can something I get green, I'll be running away from the screen. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same place, again and again. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.